Abby. Nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko. I hope walang nakasilip. I hope walang nakasilip. I hope. Abby, I'm so excited. I'm so excited I forgot. Did I have to explain to Ari? What is the main channel of Chandelier? Anyway. Matulog ka na, Abby. Abby, tulog na. Abby, tulog na. Ano na yun? 1 o'clock na in the morning. Guys, it's actually 1 o'clock in the morning in Hong Kong and in the Philippines. Most of my viewers actually are from Hong Kong and the Philippines. It's actually what time is that now? 5 o'clock, or yeah, it's gonna be 5 o'clock in the Netherlands and 5 o'clock in Germany. Unfortunately, magpalit ka na lang ng pangalan. Magpalit ka na lang ng pangalan, hindi na kita sasabihin kung sino ka. Akala nila kasi, akala nila ninja ko yan si Chandelier. I'm giving an idea how cold it is right now. Alam niyo kung gaano kalamig talaga. That's why I keep on coughing. I will show you my window. It's my window in my living room. No, not in my living. Yeah, in my living room, but it's even worse in my bedroom. I feel like I'm inside the prison. Okay, we have a heater, a centralized heater. I'm living in a condo, but this is how my window look like. This is ice. And it's all white outside. See that? There. That's the mall. Aris, that's the mall. And you know when it's really white, right? If the ground is white, it means it's really cold.